Here we go guys, I'm back again with one more side hustle again about the user testing. This one it is much bigger and much better guys. Let's do this one. Let's go usertesting.com. Just type it in the Google and you'll find it in the results at the top. Here it is. This is how the platform looks like. Okay, you can request also a trial if you're interested to have any kind of trial for your business. Okay, this is how the whole platform look like. They have so many options. They have their social media as well here: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. And here at the top you'll find it, get paid to test. Obviously that's what we're here for. Here are different options of a platform: customers, partners, resources. Okay, when you click on this one you will obviously be asked to sign up. Here it is, sign up here, and how it is: submit your email and take a quick practice test to join our global network of trusted contributors. So you have to now answer screening questions to match with the test opportunities. New tests are released all the time. Share third parties tests. Share your perspectives via tests you match with and help best-in-class brands improve their products and services. Here, the last part, fourth part, on $4 for every 5-minute test, 10 USD for every 20-minute test, and between 30 to 120 USD for live interviews, guys. I think that is amazing. If you have any slight idea about it, if not, learn about it just a little bit, and with a little bit of help you'll be able to do a lot better in a side hustle. I can just go ahead and register in here and take the test, but that would take time. My idea is to show you this platform, share with you the platform. I will definitely do the registration and take that test and see if I'm really good enough for this one or not. And we go here on the next platform, which is basically Worth of Web, where we check every time our website worth, the platform worth that we just found. This platform, which is usertesting.com, is worth 44 million as of now. Not exactly as of now, as of 89 days ago, but 87 days ago. Let's update and see if they have improved over these 3 months or went down. Here's the result of update. That's gone down, guys, but it's still like $34 million, guys, the worth of this website. This platform is huge. That means, which I told you in the beginning, that this one is going to be a huge one. So yes guys, definitely mark it as your favorite and note it down. Usertesting.com, definitely I suggest you to try this one, guys, because it's a huge platform and they're also paying good. You're not paying bad at all, guys. It's like if it's a 5-minute test, you're getting paid $4, guys. So that's the least, guys, so which is amazing. You'll find the details here. I highlight them. Point number 4. Right now, what you can do is that just go to the site and register with them and get paid to test, guys. If you have any questions about this one, send across. I'll try my best to answer you guys. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, guys. Have a great day. Cheers.